The real DeMario. And I'ma just be real with y'all. Look, I feel like niggas done forgot about me, like I don't rap no more. Everybody asks why I don't drop no tracks no more. It's almost like some people doubting, thinking I ain't putting in extra hours to try to come up with the type of album that make you wanna throw it in a whip. So when all of the homies hear it, you be like, that's my nigga, and I'm proud of that. It takes time, but know that tracks 1 through 12 gon' have the industry into me. You can count on that type of shit that make these big names wanna counteract. Like, how the fuck this nigga making all these hits without a bat? Studio in my closet, I'm only being honest when you hear me say that these my closet raps. Might cost me $250, stand cost 20. 2 filters at 15 a piece, that's 300. Now add to the fact that my landlord is billing me $350 a month, and that's not including utilities. Plus 20 for the G that I smoked when I wrote this. Ashtray full of joint roaches, that's $670, but dog, there's still a little more. I got all this shit and ain't got a way to record, so I had to Best Buy, have a chat with the tech guy who told me I should probably get a Mac. That's a rack, 1,200 to be exact. So if you do the math, I lost 1,870 bills to give away music. How you gonna say that this shit isn't real? Plus I'm in college, so I got loans. I talk to pops like, damn, if I gotta pay for this shit, at least help me out with my phone, right? Hey, all I'm trying to say is that I'm working. Just be a little patient, dog, I gotta make it worth it, and that's real, nigga. But you couldn't relate. You couldn't relate. No, but you couldn't relate. So relax yourself, dog, I'll be back in a minute. Album coming soon, can't wait for y'all to hear it. Closet rapper, watch out for that. I'ma put it up on DeMariomusic.com. DeMario, the real, I'm out.